Okay, we're gonna chop up this cabbage nice and fine. Get those little fresh snow peas in there. Little shroom action. Get these green onions, chop, chop, chop. Chop them up pretty fine. Bacon, everybody knows what bacon does. It makes everything better. Chop up that spicy boy and chop it pretty fine. You don't want people getting a big old mouthful of jalapeno. You want small little chops there. That duck meat, we're gonna do bite-sized pieces on that. Salt those boys up and get them in that bacon grease. Man, mix all that up, cook it till it's done. Little oil, put in all that cabbage mix, add this chili crisp, that's a must. Peanut butter to add a little extra fat and yumminess. Soy sauce for saltiness, vinegar for that extra acid. You mix all that together and cook it till it's done. Just heat it up. Now it's time to wrap these bad boys. You're gonna wanna probably Google how to do this, but I can tell you, you want those corners tucked in tight so none of that filling comes out in your oil. Seal that bad boy up and then stack them up like firewood. You're gonna get your oil heated up right now to about 350 degrees and just cook these until they're brown and bubbly on the outside. You don't need to overcook it. They're already cooked on the inside. And now it's time to enjoy.
So good. A little mallard there, some cabbage, a little bacon. Oh. I don't know how you say bon appetit in Chinese, but that is good.
I've done egg rolls with pork. I've never done them with wild duck. It's my first try. Ready? Yeah, that's excellent.
And that's probably my favorite egg roll I've ever eaten. Good, isn't it?
We're doing things here at town, just like Locust Grove. Cheers.
Duck, egg roll.